What's the meaning of aversion? Aversion. Aversion.
Aversion. Aversion. Aversion refers to a strong feeling of dislike or repulsion towards something or someone. It's often accompanied by a sense of discomfort, fear or anxiety. The result of aversion can be avoidance or a change in behavior to distance oneself from the object of aversion. It can also lead to physical or emotional reactions such as nausea, dread, or anger. Aversion is a natural response that can serve as a protective mechanism in certain situations, but it can also be harmful if it leads to prejudice or discrimination against others.